Okay, so I'm unboxing the Jeemak 1080p dash cam. I bought it for $45.89 at a lightning deal from Amazon. Let's see what's in it. Okay, so it's just a big box, and so as I open it, I'm opening it right. Let's see what's in it. Okay. Surprise, sharing your experience. Jeemak instructions. Just a little USB. Let's see what kind of USB port it takes here. Seems to be taking the older version of the USB. Guess this is the rear cam, and this is the cord. Although this is my first time, I actually don't know what this red one is. This one goes on the cigarette charger. Once again, it's the older USB connector. So now let's go into this and let's see this mirror here. So this mirror is pretty big. Oh, and I guess it turns on. Right. Battery is low, it needs to be charged. So it's got the microchip here, the older style USB. I guess this is the charger here. Yep. So this will go into the back of the car. This goes into the front. This will probably go here. I don't quite know what this is for. I guess this is the belt to put the mirror back. So I guess that's it. Let's see what's supposed to be in it and make sure I have all my items. So that's the USB micro AV in. Installation, AV out. Oh wow. So my next step is to install it in my car and see what it looks like. Take care.